What is going on, guys? So the giveaway is officially over, guys. Thanks to everybody who's entered. You will be getting your merch this week or next week, guys. So good luck to everybody on that truck. Also, the giveaway winner is gonna get to choose the interior color. He's gonna get to choose the outside color, and he's gonna get to choose the lights. If he wants the lights that are on there right now, or if he wants the original lights, guys. So good luck to everybody. It's gonna be one of you that's gonna be winning that truck if you bought merch. Also, guys, this Saturday we're gonna be doing the Project Toy Garage Mega Meet, where we're gonna be giving away over 200 toys. So remember, if you want to come, all you have to do is bring your kid and we will let him pick a toy. So see you guys here. We're also gonna be raffling these 3 TVs, and I'm gonna go and get a PS5. The way this is gonna work, whenever you spend over $50 on Project Torque merch, you're gonna be getting a ticket. So that ticket is gonna be your entry to win this, and at the end of the night, probably like around 10, we're gonna be announcing the winner of these 3 TVs and the PS5, guys. So that's gonna happen Saturday as well. So you come here, you pick up some shirts, you buy them, you'll get entries for the upcoming truck, and you will also get entered on this that we're gonna be giving away this Saturday. So see everybody here. We got Micheladas El Chapulín, we got Herederos Pupusas coming through, we got Taqueros Traviesos. It's gonna be a bunch of food vendors, guys. I can't think off the top of my head. It's gonna be a lot of them. And also, if you guys want a VIP parking, make sure to send a DM to the Project Toy Garage number, which is 832-420-5525. And we have a couple more spots for food vendors. We don't want taco vendors, we want something different. So if you have a food business and you want to be a vendor here that day, make sure to hit us up at the same number, guys. So see you everybody here. Enjoy this video. Make sure to drop a comment and stop by the shop this Saturday. Alrighty, guys, so it's the next day. Remember, we were working on the OBS 2-door Tahoe. Well, my boy Keith is here because we're gonna plan on doing a badass sound system on that truck. So right now we're gonna show you guys what speakers we're gonna put on there, and Keith is gonna have to measure everything out so he can get all the measurements and everything with his mamalona, so it can sound real good. Keith,
what's up, y'all?
Welcome back to the video.
Hell yeah.
Huh?
In the house.
Yes, sir. Mr. Keith is in the house.
Yes, sir.
So what you heard Vargas called you and told you about what we got going on?
Yep. Vargas hit me up. He said, hey, man, we got some good stuff we want to put in here. We need a box. So
yes, sir.
Call me up. I know a thing or two, you know what I'm
about
saying?
Boxes.
So we'll take a look at it, see what you're wanting to do, see if you want to go wild, mild, whatever. But
yeah,
it's going to be jamming.
It's gonna
for
be
sure.
wild. Well, there it is, Keith. That's what we got.
Shit.
That me boy.
They're bigger than Vargas.
They heavy than me.
Yeah. You want to open one up?
Yeah. You see?
It is there. Ring up acá.
Yeah.
Oh shit, son.
CV6s. They were the last 2 that they had.
No shit.
They had nothing else though.
Yeah, these are some pretty badass subwoofers, like top of the line right here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, they better be. Them motherfuckers were expensive.
¿Sí?
Yeah,
¿Cuánto?
cara. No se puede decir en el video, pero.
¿Cuánto gastaste, Fernando?
A la verga. Deme, boy. Mírale.
Might be 2 people.
Cabrón.
Yeah.
Parece la llanta del Hellboy. Looks like a Hellboy tire.
Ay,
cabrón. Man, that's huge. No wonder it weighs so much. Woo! Holy smoke. That's
Yeah.
big.
yeah.
Mitch.
Túmbenla, cabrón.
Damn, son.
A su
Got
pinche
them
madre.
18s, man. You know about them
Qué
18s?
chulada.
What you got there, son?
Un honguito.
Heck yeah.
There goes something or what?
Yeah. As long as we can. You got the right amp. So you got the 8K amplifier, the
yeah.
Assault 8K.
We were gonna get a 6K, but Paris is like, let's have some wiggle room.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. So as long as we got the battery and the alternator for it, keep the voltage up, make sure everything runs good.
Yeah, I was thinking here to put in an alternator and 3 batteries.
Oh, yeah.
So a D3400 on front and a D31s on the back. Both,
Okay.
I mean 2 on the back.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be 3 and an alternator.
Yep. As long as you got a good.
All right, Keith. So for the
320.
people that don't know, can you explain to them what speakers these are and what they're gonna be doing? And
So-
what's the difference between this one and the ones Vargas has in his truck and the ones you have in your truck?
Yeah. So these are Sundown Audio ZV6 18s. Vargas has X Series 15s in his. Really the biggest difference is this is a lot larger, obviously being an 18 versus a 15, but also the magnet and the coil inside of it are a lot larger so it can handle more power. So having that larger magnet and that larger coil, you can put more power, you can get louder, you can play a lot longer because it's going to be able to handle more abuse basically.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. And then being 2 18s versus, if you went 2 15s or 2 12s, it's just going to hit a lot deeper, a lot lower. it's gonna jam.
So it's gonna be jamming. Damn it, boys. Guys, I'm super excited. I personally never had a sound truck. The plan wasn't to make this a sound truck. But we went over there. Yeah. We went over there, we were picking up some other stuff, and Vargas was like, hey, you should put these in the truck, and then we got a
I
quote.
told him, hey, just come over here,
Yeah.
and I take him to the back. So they have all the amps and speakers
Start
over there.
showing
So I was like, you know what? We should put one of these amps. I pointing the south.
Yep.
So I was like, we should put one of those.
Yep.
And he's like, man, like for 215s, I was like, I mean, at least 212s.
Yeah.
But I showed him the 18s, and he's like,
Yeah.
oh,
fuck
shit.
it.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah.
It's funny because a long time ago when I had my storage unit and I was
Yeah.
working on your truck, we were talking about that. We were talking about how sick it would be to do a 2-door Tahoe. So
And there it is, and it's a nice one, Keith. Did you
hell
check
yeah.
it out already?
I saw the video
Uh-huh.
and I saw that the seats are super clean. Headliner needs a little bit of work, but it's sick.
So what I wanted to look almost, because I want to keep the same color of the interior, so I just want everything to look like OEM, but with the badass sound system in the back. Yeah.
So we'll probably, I'm thinking, I got an idea of what I want to do. I just got to make sure we got room, but I'll probably keep it pretty simple and then maybe take it to Speedy, get it upholstered. That way he can match everything, because I'm sure he's going to redo a few
Yeah, he's
things
gonna
in
do
there.
pretty much everything.
So nothing too basic, but something simple that you can just put in there, and then, you know, for whatever case, we're not tearing up any of the panels or doing anything like that. We'll just do something that's clean, loud, and nice.
I want you to, like, I don't know if you could make it to where you could see like the batteries, the extra battery we're gonna put on there, and the amp and everything, so everything could, like, so you can see all the shit that's in it, you know, not just the speakers and that's it. I want you to see like the amp and the you know how yours has it, where you see all the wires and all the different stuff. Yeah, I
Yeah,
wanna
so,
like that.
I mean, typically, you know, a lot of times in SUVs like that, we'll build the box, put it in the back. When you open the back, you'll see the box. A lot of times you'll put the amps and the batteries behind the box, like in between the seat and the box. So we could do something really clean. That way, if you fold the seat down, it would look really nice.
Oh yeah, that'll work too.
You know,
yeah.
we could do that, or if we have room, I can kind of see what we got. Maybe we could put it on the sides and make it look really nice, but we'll just have to, you know, take a look, measure it out, see what we got for room, and go from there.
So Keith, let's bring this thing down, and we'll have Keith measure it out, and then he'll start building those a badass box.
Hell yeah.
Damn, that thing is huge. Look at that size. Ahorita te traes una 12 kicker, so you can compare it.
That 12-inch kicker is probably like not even as big as
I'm gonna make a post on Instagram, and I'm gonna ask them, do we put two 12 kickers or the,
two of those.
Yeah.
Hey, let me bring the 2 amps so we can see.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell
Hell
yeah.
yeah.
Look at that.
Es un pinche piano, viejo. Eh?
Okay, Keith, we got a saw 500
500 by 4?
by 4.
A la verga.
And we got the
4 of
8K.
them? 8K.
So this one is the same one I got on my truck.
Yep, we know
Damn
this.
it, boy. That thing
So,
is
you know, that's what I told him. We already tried it out, and you know, it's Sundown's the best one they make. So we put in the best one of the best ones.
Yep.
Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks. Because that thing was big money. Big money. Damn it, boy. Brand new, guys.
Pop tags.
So compared to all the other amps that we install here, the regular ones that we put like on,
Yeah.
those are what, 2,000
Usually
watts?
around 2,000 watts.
This
you
is
know,
8,000.
2,500. Yeah. You know, to put it in perspective, usually like a regular truck, if you just got stock alternator, stock battery, you're good for like 1,500, 2,000 watts before you start getting where the alternator won't power it. So this is 4 times that big.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be,
It's gonna be nasty.
yeah.
¿Cómo ves? Ya se me pegó lo del Vargas, güey, no mames, güey.
Ve,
It's gonna
mira.
be nasty. A ver, sácalos, pues. ¿no?
Bien malones.
Te dije, yo sabía. I knew it, kid. I knew it. As soon as I saw the truck, I thought you're gonna put a sound of that. No.
Damn it, boy.
Yeah.
Second day, he's already.
Oh, look at this. This looks really, really nice, guys. Hell yeah. Look at this big, humongous amp. Keith, price-wise, how much is this for the people? Like, what's the price?
I want to say these sold 8Ks go for like $3,000 or something like that.
That's
It's,
about, yep.
it's a pretty penny,
Guys,
that's
this
for
is
sure.
a $3,000 amplifier. And those speakers, how much do they go for? Like,
Those are usually like $1,100.
Yeah.
You know.
so just on speakers and amps, this is 3,000, so 1,100 a piece,
yeah,
so
like $5,000.
$5,000, and then this one is what?
Another 500, 600 or
yeah.
something.
No,
800 bucks.
like 1100.
No
like,
shit.
Yeah.
Damn, so like $6,000. We can literally go buy another cat eye Chevy for what we're gonna put, and it's not even done.
Yeah.
The amount of money that we're gonna spend on this truck is crazy, guys. We
Yep.
still need door speakers. We need all the wiring. We need the batteries. We need an extra alternator and all the other shit that they're
Oh
gonna
no,
add
on
on
our batteries and alternator is gonna be at least another 2K.
2K? God damn.
En 4K.
All right, well, let's get that truck down, Vargas, so Keith could get a look at it and tell us what he's gonna do.
Yes, sir.
Get this baby up. Let's see what Keith's working with. Damn it, boy. I thought it had more room.
Yeah. You're definitely ditching that spare tire.
Oh, yeah, for sure, that.
That's out of there.
Can you check it out, Vargas, real quick?
Yep.
So Keith can measure up. Damn it, boy, guys. So this truck is big but small at the same time. Damn.
Yeah, it's not too bad because four-door Tahoes, they don't have a third row, but I think the four-door Tahoes have a little bit less room than that
In the back?
in the back, because this is basically like from the B-pillar back, this is like a Suburban.
Uh-huh.
It's got a long back.
It's got a long back, yeah.
Right?
So a
It's got
four-door Tahoe is about the same size.
I think it's a little bit smaller, honestly. So this is more than like a four-door Tahoe, but not quite as much as like a Suburban.
Yeah.
You know?
Hopefully we have enough space for the airspace that is required for the speaker, because if not, they don't sound good.
Yeah, yeah. So like I said, you know, we'll probably go all the way wheel well to wheel well. Maybe not the full length. I just have to kind of play with, you know, how deep I'm going to make it versus how tall it's going to be, and that'll figure out how much space I have to work with, you know?
All right, buddy. Let's get all that taken out.
All right.
Damn it, boy. Damn, guys, check this truck out. It's gonna be crazy, guys. These speakers, these amps, the whole box that Keith's gonna build, all the wiring that Vargas and Keith are gonna do, and the batteries and alternators and the swap that we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be crazy, guys. This truck is gonna look really nice. Yeah?
In a long, long time, man.
What you think?
Damn,
I
things
was
are
not
huge,
expecting
güey.
What you think, Ketchup?
¿Qué pasó?
That thing's going
I need
bang,
that
bang.
car. I don't think I've ever seen speakers that
That look like missiles, bro.
218s.
I didn't expect 18 to be that big.
CV6s, right? I had to look at the box. CV6s. Damn it, boy.
They're heavy.
Top of the
Oh
line.
yeah, they're more heavy than no more.
They're heavier than no more.
For sure, you, me, and you.
No.
Yeah, you and me. I weigh 145.
What you think? It looks dope, huh?
2 batteries?
2 batteries, 3, because one in the front and an extra alternator, and nothing but 0 gauge wire.
Y dijo que no lo quería hacer tan grande.
Well, yeah, I know. No, but it's not gonna look ridiculous.
No, it's gonna be
Everything's
badass.
gonna be nice. It's flush, same color as everything, so it's gonna be nice.
Damn, I've never seen speakers that big.
That's gonna be crazy, huh?
Hell yeah.
18s, boy.
Is it gonna be facing that way or this way?
They're gonna be facing up,
Oh, dang.
and then the amp's gonna be right here.
Yeah, I was thinking 12, and he's like, no, I'm gonna take those 18s.
Yeah.
Damn, things are huge, güey. Honestly. I didn't think you were
Hey,
gonna get
saca la kicker so we can compare it to a kicker.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't think you were gonna get that big of a speaker.
Me neither. I just got
I
it.
knew these existed.
That's a nice kicker right here too.
CVX.
Oh, that's a CVX.
That's a CVX. That's a nice one.
Oh, that is a nice one. Remember, guys, in stock at Price Store Garage. Damn, wait, no mames. You can carry it like nothing.
Yep.
There it is, guys. That's the size difference.
Oh, so we have never heard
That's
18.
huge, huh?
Dang.
No,
we
no.
never heard 18 before.
That's a 12.
That's a
Vargas,
12.
you have 15s. These are 18s. We ain't never heard 18s before.
I got
Yeah.
15s.
And
He's
we know
got
how-
4 though.
I got 4.
We know
Yeah,
how loud yours are.
This one is gonna be kind of the same, Omar, because it's the same amp. Everything you can put the same power to it, but we don't want that.
But a
'Cause-
bigger tone, like more.
No, it's gonna be almost kind of the same, right, Keith?
Yeah.
It's gonna be almost the
It's
same.
gonna be a similar sound, but it won't be as loud, just because 218s compared to 415s is a little bit smaller cone area, but it's the same amp. The box is gonna be a little bit different, so it's gonna be similar, but it's not gonna be quite as loud as Vargas's.
But look at the comparison. 18, 12. That's gonna hopefully vibrate some brain cells into Omar.
A ver si lo compone.
We're gonna tune it low, not too low, but we're gonna tune the box low, and then that way, hopefully, we might be able to.
You were gonna say we're gonna tune it to fix it.
We're gonna tune it low, and hopefully, if we get it tuned up right, we might be able to float some stuff in the windows. And
Damn.
do some hair tricks.
Hell yeah. ¿Cómo se ve, Yera?
Ay, güey.
¿Está bien perro, verdad?
Mira bien mamalón.
Mira, esa es una 12 kicker y esta es una 18 de las mías.
Dices que no quieres quebrar los vidrios.
¿Verdad?
That's gonna
No, no
be
quiero quebrar los
almost
vidrios.
impossible, kid.
Huh.
Break the glasses. Break something.
It probably won't break the glass, but it'll get
It's
the
gonna
panels
shake that
flexing.
motherfucker, yeah. It's
It's
gonna
gonna
be
flex.
flexing.
The roof is gonna be flexing. The hatch is gonna be flexing.
Damn.
It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be loud. I don't know what they keep saying. They don't want so much bass on it. That's gonna make a lot of
Yeah,
bass.
it's hard to not get a lot of bass out of that, but
¿Quién dijo que they don't want a lot of bass?
No, you can tune it down.
yeah.
Yeah, you can tune it
Yeah.
down. So we're only gonna put speakers here, two 8s, so it's gonna be 4 8s and then 2 8s in the front. And if we need 2 more kick panels with 8s or build a little center console with some. I think probably a center
Probably
console with
console,
8s.
yeah. That way, it's just put it in there, make it look nice.
And they're gonna be pointing up like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, the subs
Así
will
como
be facing
están,
up.
pointing up. Then we're gonna have the box here. The amp is gonna be here. Those batteries are gonna be on top over there. And then aquí van a estar las speakers así, facing this way.
In the
Can you build a cooler, in a cooler, so like paint my right?
I don't know if I can do
You don't
that.
want a fish tank in there?
Yeah. A waterfall?
No, guys.
Do a waterfall? Hey, we were talking
Don't be
about.
fucking bad
A
up.
man cave. Make a
what?
man cave.
Fish tank.
Yeah.
Fish?
Do it.
You got
Suck
fit-
it.
you can do it.
No, what I was telling Keith
Yeah.
that we decided to scratch it, I was telling him that I really like how back in the day the slabs would have all the screens on the main seats, then screens back here, then the big screen on top.
Oh, yeah.
And then screen on the
Oh,
visors.
He wants to pop trunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The best thing is that the hater vision.
Yeah.
When they have the screens in the back seat where there's not even anybody behind
Oh,
there,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
for
yeah.
all the people driving behind you so they can watch the movie.
So
too.
guys, drop a comment. I know that shit's real old school and nobody does that anymore, but I kind of want to do that.
Yeah.
And leave the truck with no tent, just everything playing inside. And what you think, Eche? You think that'd be dope?
I think so. Like take all the tin, like fishbowl,
complete
fishbowl. Yeah, that'd be
you
nice.
see the badass system and all the screens, put some reggaeton or some badass Rick Ross with all the screens changed. Look, what I used to like about that is that you would look at the car and all the screens would change at the same time. That shit would
Oh,
be crazy.
sí, me acuerdo de that shit.
I can see.
Yeah.
So guys, comment down below. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not.
Yeah, we were talking about that, but the thing is the way we're doing it right now, we're not going to ruin any of the factory panels. So that way, everything stays stock underneath, everything stays clean. If you ever want to take the system out for whatever reason, everything's going to stay nice. We're not
Yeah.
tearing
And
nothing up.
if I do that, then it's gonna.
Yeah, if we do all the screens and stuff, we're going to have to just go all out. So.
Few inches later.
Boy, vale, ¿qué andas haciendo, vale?
Ya quedó la mamalona.
A la verga. Miren nomás, guys. Ya salió el mamalón motor de la OBS. Ahora sí, guys, on the next video, we're gonna show you and we're gonna let you choose what motor you want us to put on this truck. Either we build the 350 or we have a motor back there or we have another motor we're gonna go pick up. So guys, stay tuned for the next vlog. And right now, ¿qué le va a hacer, Vargas?
Ahorita estamos poniéndola back together para que Papa Exclusive vaya a llevársela enterita. Quitámoslo enfrente porque pues no queríamos dañar nada, algo con el hoist, porque de repente se mueve con el motor.
Ajá.
Fue lo que hicimos, pero ahorita ya lo estoy poniendo todo para atrás. Ya nomás voy a quitar el harness, quitarlo porque se lo vamos a ocupar, guys.
Pero como todas esas pompas y todo esto, ¿eso se lo quita Papa Exclusive o tú se lo vas a quitar?
Él se lo puede quitar para que él mire dónde deja los tornillos y él los ponga para atrás, porque esta troca hay que dejarla lo más original que se pueda. Esos son los limpiadores, lo del AC, todo eso hay que tratarlo de dejar porque quiero que jalen los limpiadores, quiero que jale el AC, o sea, todo eso para que él lo quite y lo ponga, porque si se lo llevamos quitado, no sé, pues que nos confundamos, ¿me entiendes?
Ajá.
Quiero llevársela lo más completa que esté.
So ya está, guys, acá andamos con JR Fab, ahorita anda en el jale, weldeando el exhaust para el mamalón Lambo Toys. ¿Cómo anda ahí, Yera?
Ahí vamos.
¿Está
ya.
quedando al 100 o no?
Ahí va quedando el cienazo.
Hell yeah. So guys, today's been a video of us working. I actually helped Danny today with his OBS project as well, and it's been a lot of working today. It's late already, but check it out. Ahí va quedando el titanium exhaust de Lambo Toys. Puro titanium, guys. Se mira bien placoso ese show. Y acá también de este lado. Ya nomás falta la pipa que va a salir de aquí y del otro lado. And we'll be ready. Yera Fab. Póngase a jalar, Yera Fab.